So my name is Kevin Chalut. I'm now faculty at the University of Cambridge. I work at the Cambridge Stem Cell Institute, trying to apply some of my physics background to trying to understand better what stem cells do and how they do it. It's really amazing to be at Cambridge in the sense that, you have just this unbelievably rich intellectual tradition. I want to know how cells learn how to change into things. This is where physics and everything can come together, and everything that excites me. How does change happen in biology? And stem cells were just a perfect way to study this, and this is something that I just happened upon and went on to do further research, and then convinced the Royal Society to give me some money to start a lab here at Cambridge, and to try to understand this kind of dynamics. How do cells change? How do stem cells make decisions? And this is what has been driving me for some time now. I came from a pure physics, mathematical, quantitative background, and just essentially decided at some point that I really wanted to start studying biology and biological systems and how cells work and how stem cells work. And I didn't decide this until after I already got my PhD. I'm really quite proud of the fact that I just stuck with it, and at first didn't have any idea what anybody was talking about in biology, but knew that there was something there that was interesting, and just kept at it and just kept writing stuff down and asking questions, and trying to learn things that I didn't understand, and sticking with it and making a sort of niche out of this, and actually making a career out of it, to the point where I'm now at a stem cell institute and I work on stem cells and developmental biology, and I think people respect me for the biology that I do, and they don't just think of me anymore as, oh, that physicist. I think it's very easy to relate it back to Albion. I think that having this liberal arts background, taking a lot of courses in literature, taking a lot of courses in psychology, mathematics. Once you start learning a bunch of different things and making connections between really disparate areas, it just gets easier all the time, and you no longer feel like you're stuck in a certain way of thinking. And I think that's really important for modern science, and I am absolutely sure that being at Albion and this very, where liberal arts and multidisciplinary thinking was absolutely de rigueur there. This has completely influenced who I am now. I'm just not afraid of, thinking in very different ways about stuff. When I was 18 years old, I really had no idea what I wanted to do with my life, but I was very intellectually curious, and I was really interested about the world, and I really just wanted to go and have that kind of college experience. I think that that is a common sort of student. That the best thing that you can do in this world is, when you don't know what you want to do, is just to take whatever is right in front of you and do it the absolute best you can. Just really throw yourself into it. And every time you do that, the next steps just become clear.